The wings of an aircraft are designed to lift it into the air. Their particular design for any given aircraft depends on a number of factors, such as size, weight, use of the aircraft, desired speed in flight and at landing, and desired rate of climb. The wings of aircraft are designated left and right, corresponding to the left and right sides of the operator when seated in the cockpit. Most often, wings are of full cantilever design. This means they are built so that no external bracing is needed. They are supported internally by structural members assisted by the skin of the aircraft. Some smaller and special-purpose aircraft wings use external struts or wires to assist in supporting the wing and carrying the aerodynamic and landing loads. Wing support cables and struts are generally made from steel. Many struts and their attached fittings have fairings to reduce drag. Short, nearly vertical supports called jury struts are found on struts that attach to the wings a great distance from the fuselage. This serves to subdue strut movement and oscillation caused by the air flowing around the strut in flight. Wings using external bracing, also known as semi-cantilever wings. Cantilever wings built with no external bracing. Aluminum is the common material from which to construct wings, and it is the most common material for wing construction on transport aircraft. Modern aircraft are tending toward lighter and stronger materials throughout the airframe and in wing construction. Wings made entirely of carbon fiber or other composite materials exist, as well as wings made of a combination of materials for maximum strength-to-weight performance. The internal structures of most wings are made up of spars and stringers running span-wise and ribs and formers or bulkheads running chord-wise from the leading edge to the trailing edge. The spars are the principal structural members of a wing. They support all distributed loads as well as concentrated weights such as the fuselage, landing gear, and engines. The skin, which is attached to the wing structure, carries part of the loads imposed during flight. It also transfers the stresses to the wing ribs. The ribs, in turn, transfer the loads to the wing spars. In general, wing construction is based on one of three fundamental designs: Monospar, Multispar, and box beam. Modification of these basic designs may be adopted by various manufacturers. The Monospar wing incorporates only one main span-wise or longitudinal member in its construction. Ribs or bulkheads supply the necessary contour or shape to the airfoil. Although the strict Monospar wing is not common, this type of design, modified by the addition of false spars or light shear webs along the trailing edge for support of control surfaces, is sometimes used. The Multispar wing incorporates more than one main longitudinal member in its construction. To give the wing contour, ribs or bulkheads are usually included. Air transport category aircraft often utilize box beam wing construction. The box beam type of wing construction uses two main longitudinal members with connecting bulkheads to furnish additional strength and to give contour to the wing. In some cases, heavy longitudinal stiffeners are substituted for the corrugated sheets. A combination of corrugated sheets on the upper surface of the wing and stiffeners on the lower surface is also sometimes used.